Hello everyone, welcome to Great Online Training. This is Naidu. In this video, I'm going to explain SAS Certified Specialist question number 3. And this is all our SAS certification questions. I have already explained some questions earlier also, so you can see those questions I'm attaching on my cards here, and you can see it in the description below. And if you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like if you are liking the video, and share this video people whoever is needing this particular SAS certification questions and all. Maybe your friend or your colleague are looking for a SAS certification. If you think that this particular video is helpful for them, please share with. So let's get started. In this question 3, this question we are writing some program here. So the program is nothing but so this is the program which is there with us. So this exactly the question is. So we need to see what is the problem in this particular program. That is the first thing. And is there any errors or warning messages or anything? So we need to see actually. So now we will see the complete question here. So divide this observation in this particular program. So you are taking the data from the sashelp.hot, and we need to create three main data sets. The three data sets are nothing but one is high cholesterol, second one is low cholesterol, and third one is missing cholesterol. Is the three data sets we need to create it. So that is one thing. And apart from that, so we need to know that only observation with cholesterol below 200 should be only we are adding into the low cholesterol, and only the observation cholesterol that is 200 above, we are 200 or 200 above, we are putting into high cholesterol. And some of the observation having a missing cholesterol, so there is a cholesterol variable have missing values also, and that particular information we are just keeping into miss cholesterol data set. Basically, according to this question, we need to create a three data sets. Okay, one is work library containing low cholesterol, high cholesterol, and missing cholesterol. But this particular program, we need to check is there any like a, you can see is there any errors in the program, or else it may be one error, or maybe it may be multiple errors, or maybe some logical errors. So any of these, is there any log messages we are getting it, and we need to fix those. Okay, and we need to make sure to run this particular program fine, and based on it, so once the program works smooth, and then we need to answer this question: how many observations are in that particular high cholesterol data set, how many observations, the number of observations, we need to know that. And again, at the same time, how many observations are in a low cholesterol data set, and what is the observation number. So we want to get that how many observations on each data set. So we need to get it. So you also do with me, and you also try to open SAS Studio and try to do the same question, and you take a pause of this particular video here and try to do it yourself before my explanation. And so that if you have any questions, or maybe if your approach is a bit different than me, so then please write it in the comment section. I think, Naidu, why can't we do it in this way? Something like that you can post. I'm always happy to hear some type of practice with me. So that's always a good thing. So now what we will do is, let me just solve this particular question. So for this, what I will do is, let me copy and paste this particular program from my PowerPoint presentation to my SAS software, and so then we will work on one by one. So first of all, so what we do is, let me just copy this information from this particular location. So make sure, so I'm just putting it not into the full screen, I'm just keeping it up to here, and so that I can see the programs, and this one is side by side. I'll just copying the program. See, this is my program I have copied. So this is just a copy paste of the same program. I have done anything different here. It's the same what is there in the question. So now, without changing anything, I try to execute the program. Is it working or not? So when I try to execute it and run the program, so now you can see that a running boy like a symbol, I'm just using it here. So I just executed. So you got the data set. Don't trust on that. Go to your log. Is there any errors in your program? So now you can see that. So there are some errors in your program. So something is giving it near to the output. So actually, what is there in this particular program? First of all, data, you're trying to create your data set name. Sorry. So data, your data set you're trying to create, so that is your work library containing low cholesterol and high cholesterol. According to the so data, we need to create a one more data set also, that is called missing cholesterol. First of all, we need to add that. Actually, that is not there. When we are trying to create a three data sets, we need to make sure to create a three data sets in the top also. So that is one thing. And because of that, is it the issue is getting fixed? Check your log and execute it. Now still you can check your log, there are some warnings. Still the warning like earlier one what we have it, near to the output statement, it is still there. There is no change in that. So what we can do is basically what happens, if cholesterol is less than 200, then we need to write it here. Actually, then is missing in your case here. And again in the next line also, then statement is missing, and you need to write then there also. And again, so you need to write a then here. Actually, then statement is missed in the three lines also, so that is a problem. So logically it's correct or not, we will see later on. First of all, is there any syntax errors are there or not, we will just rerun it one more time. So check your log again. So it is saying it, cholesterol is missing. Okay, so cholesterol is missing, you cannot write it like this, so the syntax it won't work. So if you want it, the cholesterol value is missing, you want to write it instead of is missing, equal to missing, you write it like this. Okay, so if cholesterol is missing, then output equal to, this is the correct syntax. Let's see if I'm rerunning the same program one more time again, and now you check it. I think the log is basically not giving any issues here. You can see that the log is not showing any type of errors or anything. So now I think the program is smooth and everything got fixed. That's what I'm thinking it. So let me just go for my data set here in this data set here. So according to my question, you see that the question is into this. The first question according to me, how many observations, so we have it in work dot high cholesterol. So we need to know that how many observations in high cholesterol. You can carefully see here. So here I'm just zooming out. So now you can see that how many in high cholesterol, around 3652. So you have it, and how many observations are in low cholesterol, around 1557. So we got it. But even before I just confirming this answer, I need to check that is it logically correct. What I have written, if the cholesterol is lesser than 200, so according to your data, so what they clearly mentioned it, only the observation cholesterol below 200. That's correct, it is below 200, so it's written less than 200. And the observations cholesterol, that is 200 and above 200, that means it's a greater than or equal to. Check your the condition, is it a greater than or equal to 200? It's already written, then we created it. And one more time, you just why I'm just checking all this stuff again before I'm just confirming my answer, so that no, sometimes there is an overlook, there will be a chance that you may do the mistake. So if missing observations or missing values of your cholesterol wise, so we wanted that particular data set wise, you want to see that, and now you can see that if cholesterol is missing, then output we are just saving it. I think the conditions wise and logical wise everything is correct, and we need to get an log and see that low cholesterol wise the answer is sorry, high cholesterol wise the answer is 3652 records, and missing cholesterol wise 152, and as well as low cholesterol wise, and you can see that it is 1557. You have it. So check your answers is right or wrong. I have already done it in my PowerPoint presentation. Let me just check that is that answer is right or wrong in my next slide. So now the answer is, you can see that 3652, and here the low cholesterol value, so we are getting it somewhere 14,005. Why you are getting the 14,005? What is wrong? Why I have done the mistake here? What exactly the mistake is? Okay, so the low cholesterol, we clearly said that. What is that low cholesterol value? The cholesterol is below 200. Actually, when it is below 200, we said that the even some missing values also there in the data. Okay, so where is the missing value? It is very important stuff, huh? So let me just show you some of the missing values. So according to the library, and go to my SAS help library, so there are some data sets. So go to my hard to data set. Hard to data set is here. So now you can see that you don't keep all the variable, try to keep only the cholesterol variable. Into that cholesterol status is the variable, it is a low and high. I think there is a variable called, which variable we need to see it here. According to the data, uh, cholesterol is the variable which is there. So check that data where it is. Check that output. So you don't want all the variables, and only cholesterol you just keep it here. Only cholesterol you keep it here. So you see that there are some missing values. When I'm saying a missing values, what happens, when I'm just giving the condition less than 200, so means yes, even missing values also less than 200. So that should not be count here. So in this case, how you can do is cholesterol value lesser than 200, and you need to write it a condition saying it as a end. Definitely the cholesterol should not be missing, so you need to write it cholesterol value less than 200 and cholesterol not equal to missing, we need to see it. Okay, then we are writing it, because the cholesterol equal to missing we are counting under here, so we should not this cholesterol missing value into this particular value. So here you need to rerun the program, and again, so we are done. Check your log. So now check your any logical errors. I think there is no logical error. Now you can see that the local, that is your low cholesterol value, it is in 1405, you are getting it now. So even though why I'm just not correcting it the first time, because you need to know that where I am doing the mistake. If I am doing the mistake like you, then you will get to know that where exactly there is a chance that you will do a mistake. Okay, so when you do the mistake and when you try to check that answer, sometimes when we, even when I look into in a overconfidence, sometimes I think I have written my program correct. So when you are focusing on more details, then you get to know that where you will do the mistake. Okay, where you have done the mistake, so you get to know that. So that happens. So now according to my questions, I got my perfect answers. According to my PowerPoint presentation, I did it well. And see, this is my 3652 records which is there in for high cholesterol, and how many observations in low cholesterol, it's in a 1405 records is there. So that's it. This is all about for this particular question. So I'm going to discuss more questions like this, lot of videos in upcoming days. So please subscribe to my channel, hit the like if you are liking it. If you think that you want to share this particular video to someone who is your friend or colleague or someone, so please try to share with them. And if you have any questions or comments or anything, you can write it in the comment section below. You're really liking my particular videos and all, you go for a live training with me, and then you can use below contact details to contact us directly. So until that, thank you. That's all about for this particular video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.